Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater, caps, muffler and baby blanket. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 15 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of 6, 2 times 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 1 extra stitch 13 plus 2 edge stitches 15. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any body you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2 together. Now make 3 from 1 stitch. First we purl 1, take this yarn to back, knit 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1, 3. Now purl 2 together, yarn in back. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl together, make 3 from 1 stitch. For this purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and purl 2 together. This is 6 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time, knit 1, yarn in front, purl together, make 3 stitches from 1 stitch. For this first we purl 1, knit 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1, 3, purl 2 together, yarn in back. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. This is third row right side. Knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row wrong side. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of fan. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.